Welcome back. I am so happy to see you here. Thank you for doing your homework and for hanging on to this Happy Bones community. So today we are going to focus on releasing the muscles in our hands. So maybe you're a hairstylist or a practitioner yourself in the manual therapy world. My hands get super tired, so these things are saving graces. I love doing them. But whatever it is that you do that makes the muscles in your hands feel tight, this is going to help. If you have arthritis in your hands, this one is for you as well. So I'm going to be using my gua sha. Mine is shaped like this. Yours does not have to be the same shape. Just find the rounded point on your gua sha. It doesn't matter if it's thicker, you'll see. We're gonna do it. If you don't have a gua sha, you can use a soup spoon for this one as well. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's really great, I love it, and I'm so excited to share it with you. All right, my friends, so we are going to start by working in and around the thumb muscles into the palm of your hand. So these muscles tend to be the culprit in pain in your hands when it comes to feeling tight. So what you're going to do is you are either going to take the point of your gua sha or the side or edge of your soup spoon, and you're just going to start to dig in, and you can play around with what feels best, but you're going to start to dig into these muscles, and as if you're kind of like scraping or scooping out something from your hand. So literally think about imagining you're scooping the pain out and you're going from there. Good, so you can go over a few times, and what I like to do too is I like to actually start moving my thumb sort of against where I'm pressing in with the gua sha or the spoon, just to find some of those tender points in there, and you'll kind of see how they work together. So there's no real, length of time. Go through it as much as you'd like. I've got some redness that's starting to happen, which is a good thing. We've got sort of blood flow coming to that area or starting to release into it. So you can do this into all of the palm of the hand. You can come into the other side, and again, using that side of the gua sha or the spoon, finding whatever works for you, just really sort of pulling and disrupting that fascia that's in there, the muscles, all of the stuff in there. Next thing that I like to do is I like to gently pull my fingers backwards. So I'm taking the whole finger and I'm pulling it back straight. So usually this requires support at the middle of the finger joint and the top. You really sort of isolate those muscles that are connecting into the little finger. And I'm going to hold it. You're going to start to kind of feel a burn. If you did my foot release class, the releasing with the sitting on the back of the toes, you will feel the same sort of burning sensation that happens. So hold on into it. If you need to come out, give yourself a break. However you'd like, hold on to it as long as you can. This one into the ring finger, you're probably going to start to feel. If you have tight forearms, you will feel it move down that way. Good, and really just working through every single finger that you can. And then you're going to do it on the other side. Last one in this hand series is going to be stretching out the palms and the forearms. So easy to do. You're going to take your hands in front of you. You're going to rotate them outwards so your fingers are pointing down, and you are going to aim to press your palm into the floor. Keep those elbows and arms nice and straight, and you're going to feel a lot burn in the wrist and the forearm, and wow, it's a good one. So again, this one you're going to hold on to for as long as you can. If you need to, come on out, take a second, let the blood flow, and come on back into it. Thanks again for watching. I super appreciate it. Let me know how those go in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I am always here for you. Have a wonderful day. Good job today. You're doing great.